Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to your website on VPS for free. I'm also going to show you how to set up free SSL. Now by watching this video, I believe you already have your websites running on your VPS and you also have your domain from whichever company you're using. Now this is the domain we're going to be using for teema.everythingtech.com, and we want our server address, which in my case this is it. We want it to open using this domain doWebTech.com instead of our server address. Now the first thing we want to do is go to the advanced DNS settings of our domain. Now this process is similar regardless of the domain company you're using. And then under here we're going to create two records. First, we're going to create an A record, and the host is going to be @ and the value is the IP address of our server, which in my case this is it. Set the TTL to 60 minutes and then save changes. Next we're going to add a CNAME record, and the host is going to be www, and the target is going to be our domain name, which in this case is dowebtech.com. 60 minutes as well, and then save. So we want our domain dowebtech.com to point to our server address. So we're going to display contents that is supposed to show on the server address on our domain instead. Now let's connect to our VPS. And to do that, we're going to run SSH root at our VPS host. And then also enter your password. And here we are. Now we're going to create a directory for our domain, and since I'm using LAMP for my server, I would want to put it somewhere close to where I am using LAMP. Let's go to /var/www ls, and you can see we have HTML file right there. Now we are going to create our directory here by entering the command make directory, and then we're going to call this dowebtech.com. Now run the next command. And then the directory, which is var/www/dowebtech.com. Hit enter. Next, we are going to copy our website files to that directory. So our website file is currently in the HTML folder inside www. So let's do copy /var/www/html. Now the location of your website may be different, but you should know where your website files are, and then we can do the same thing. So we are copying our website files from this folder, our HTML folder, to the new folder we created for our domain. Hit enter. Now we're going to create a virtual host configuration file. So let's run nano/etc apache2 sites-available/ our domain, which in this case is dowebtech.com.conf. Hit enter. And here we are going to paste in this. Now you're going to edit this accordingly. First, you're going to start with the server admin, which is basically your email. So I could say admin@dowebtech.com. Server name, this is our domain name, and that is dowebtech.com. Server alias, we're also going to put our domain as well, dowebtech.com. And then the document root, which is where our files are located, is the same thing, dowebtech.com. Control O, hit enter, and then Control X. Now we have to enable our new site by running a2 site, and then our domain, which is dowebtech teema.config, hit enter. Next we're going to run this, hit enter, and then lastly we are going to restart Apache. Now let's view our website in our browser. So if we view it from our host address, it is still working, 89, it is still showing. And then if we view it from our domain, doewebtech.com, you can see it is still showing as well. But then if we try to view it using secure protocol HTTPS, we get this can't connect, and that is because there is no SSL. If you remove the S, HTTP, it works fine. Now we're going to install SSL, and we're going to use Let's Encrypt, which is totally free. Now paste in this command to the SSH, and it should install Let's Encrypt. Next, we have to register Let's Encrypt with our domain. So we're going to run satbot Apache, and then our domain, which is doewebtech.com, and then with www, just like this, and then hit enter, and then enter an email for renewal. Read the terms, and then we are going to agree with yes. And you can see the certificate has been successfully generated. Now if we head to HTTPS, it should work as well. You can see it works. So basically this is how to connect your domain to your website using a VPS server. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.